there, busy bee! With all your hustle, it's easy for your precious hair to feel neglected. But we've got your back. Let's give you all the best hair care tips that are quick, easy, and perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. We've got 15 tips to share with you today, so if number 1 doesn't work for you, number 7 might. And our favorite one is number 9, because that's the one that saved our hair. Let's go! Number 1. Low-maintenance haircuts. Opt for a haircut that suits your natural texture and requires minimal styling. Go see your trustworthy hairdresser and let them work their magic by asking for a low-maintenance haircut. This will help you reduce the time spent on daily styling. No complicated styling routines, no daily battles with your hair. Just wash, shake, and go out there to conquer the world. Number 2. Pop-on shower caps. Shower caps are a time-saving miracle. Use a shower cap to protect your hair when you don't have time for a full wash. Focus on washing your body and face and save time by washing your hair less frequently, which is actually better for your scalp. Overwashing strips away essential oils and creates sebum imbalance. Avoid all that by popping on your shower cap. This means less time spent washing for nothing and healthier hair. Love it! Number 3. Fuel your body with the right nutrients. While you're meal prepping, focus on eating well. Your hair loves a feast of good nutrients. Load up on vitamins, protein, minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, all from natural foods like eggs, beef, chicken, wild salmon, citrus fruits, vegetables, flaxseed, pumpkin seeds, and much more. We talked about all the best foods to fuel your hair in previous videos. Be sure to check them out after this one and get your free guide with food and hair tips in the description below. Ditch unhealthy foods like fried foods, sugary snacks, carbonated drinks, and alcohol, which can cause hair loss. This is how you can support your hair health without doing much by getting the nutrients it needs in order to shine. Number 4. Dry shampoo is your BFF. Skip on a full wash and let dry shampoo take care of you. The hero of busy mornings. A quick spritz, a little tousling, and you're good to go. Want to make your own natural dry shampoo with one simple ingredient? We promise this one helped us ditch shampooing often. It's easy. Just use 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic rice flour, dab it on your hair, and voila! So go ahead and refresh your hair between washes. Let dry shampoo absorb excess oil, add volume, and save you time. You know what else saves you time? Subscribe and turn on that notification bell to keep up with all the best tips for gorgeous, healthy hair. We promise this is good. And get your free guide with hair tips in the description below. Number 5. Hat days are great. When you're running late, throw on a cute hat. It's the ultimate time-saving as well as hair-saving accessory that instantly elevates your look while hiding any hair-related mishaps. Who's gonna know? Another bonus is that hairs protect your hair from the weather, sparing you from the dreaded frizz and other chaos of free radicals. Win-win. Number 6. Hydration Boost. Give your scalp a hydration boost with a homemade rosemary and mint spray. Boil water, add a bit of fresh rosemary and a bit of fresh mint and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool, pour in a spray bottle and spritz away. You can use this almost daily to keep your scalp hydrated. Number 7. Overnight treatments for the win. Overnight hair treatments are a genius way of waking up with hair that's ready to slay the day. Just apply a nourishing hair treatment before bed, whether it's a hair serum, hair oil, or a leave-in rinse. While you're resting, your hair is also rejuvenating. Number 8. Silk pillowcases. While we're talking about sleep, you can treat yourself to a silk pillowcase. It feels softer and reduces friction, which prevents tangles and minimizes breakage. Your hair will thank you in the morning. Enjoying these tips? Hit that like button. It helps this video go out to more people that need help with their hair. Thanks for being awesome. Number 9. The 2-minute rule for detangling. Detangle your hair in just 2 minutes every day. It's a small effort that pays off big time to prevent knots and to keep your hair smooth and manageable. Looking for a time-saving detangler that prevents your hair from damage? TangleGenie's got your back. Or should we say, your strands. Say hello to this fantastic detangler with its one-of-a-kind 360-degree bristle design, the hair superhero that detangles with a gentle touch. No yanking, no pulling, and definitely no bad hair days. Give it a go and say goodbye to the heavy damage that other detangling methods can cause. It literally saved our hair from hair loss. It's like a magic wand for your hair. Number 10. DIY Refresh Spritz. This spritz is the ultimate on-the-go hair care tip. Keep it in your bag for a midday pick-me-up that leaves your hair looking healthy and smelling amazing. Just mix water with 1 to 2 drops of your favorite essential oil and pour it in a small to-go spray bottle. And voila! You've got a DIY hair fresh spritz. Toss it in your bag and give your hair a quick mist for instant revival. We recommend opting for the organic and non-GMO route whenever you can. Keep your hair safe from the drama of harsh chemicals and pesticides. That's why we're big on DIY hair products that we can make in our very own kitchens. We've shared a number of hair mist recipes in previous videos. Be sure to check it out after this one. Number 11. Embrace the messy bun and protective hairstyles. When in doubt, bun it out. The messy bun is chic, effortless, and only takes a few minutes to master. Plus, you'll look like you just stepped out of a Pinterest board. #goals! And if you've got a few extra minutes, embrace protective hairstyles like loose braids or ponytails to minimize daily manipulation and protect your hair from environmental damage. They'll look trendy while protecting your strands. Number 12. Hair oil is your friend. A few drops of hair oil goes a long way. Our favorite are organic argan oil and rosemary oil. Just a few drops can transform dull, dry hair into a glossy mane. Apply a small amount of hair oil to the ends of your hair to add shine and reduce frizz. This can be done quickly in the morning before heading out or even throughout the day. Number 13. Multitasking done right. Shake up. Watching TV? On your break at work? Grab a scalp massager or use your fingers and give yourself a scalp shake. This simple act helps to increase blood flow to your scalp, promotes healthier hair growth, and gives you an energy boost. Easy peasy, but oh so good. Number 14. Stay hydrated. Hydrating is the quickest way to give your hair the love it needs without disrupting your daily hustle. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated from the inside out. When you're well hydrated, your scalp stays moisturized, and water helps transport essential nutrients to your scalp, nourishing it from within. Win-win. Number 15. Schedule me time for your hair. Finally, we know you're busy, but you gotta give yourself and your hair the love it deserves. Schedule a regular me time session. It could be a deep conditioning treatment once a week, a scalp massage a few times per week while watching your favorite show, and hair trims every now and then. A happy you equals happy hair. Do you have any other great on-the-go hair care tips? Drop it in the comments below so other busy bees can benefit from it. Want more hair tips, recipes, and foods that are great to boost your hair? Get your free guide in the description below. And be sure to check out this video right here to find which vegetables are best to eat for hair growth. Happy, healthy hair care!